So I hear we have a workshop coming up. Can you tell me a little bit about that?
Yeah, we're really excited. It's going to be about how to plan for recessions.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. So how can people plan for a recession?
Well, essentially, the secret to surviving a recession, and we've studied this for a long time now, is...
Well, we've lived it ourselves.
This is true.
Yeah.
Is really building yourself up in such a way that you're extra healthy before the recession, so when the recession hits, you can weather the storm.
Yeah, so what kind of things will people learn from this workshop?
Yeah, so we've really identified, 3 core ideas that can help you be resilient in a recession. The 800-pound gorilla, which is one customer, which is really responsible for too much revenue in your organization.
Yeah.
Everybody has access to the same machinery, so your equipment, your competitor's equipment is essentially the same, so how do you compete on that without being about price? And then the third one is the best kept secret. So you're doing great stuff, you've got some really awesome things going on inside your organization, but nobody knows.
Okay.
That's right,
Yeah.
that's right.
And does that go for not just customers, but also employees, correct?
Right, yeah. So if you're trying to recruit new employees and that's your barrier to growth, if you're the best kept secret, you're not getting the best candidates.
Yeah. So who should attend this workshop?
This is really designed for business owners and executive leaders who are thinking about the strategy of their organization and are planning on a 2, 3, 4, 5-year time horizon,
Yeah.
not just what are we going to do tomorrow.
Gotcha. All right.
Yeah.
Well, we're excited for the workshop, and if you want to know more, go to kinesisinc.com/events.
Right on.
Cool.